We'll discuss AMC Short's billion-dollar loss, our role, margin calls, and more in the video. First, we'll examine double-down bad shorts. A slight movement can cause significant AMC losses. A run to $10 under $2 could lead to liquidations and increased shorts value, requiring more margin. As you can see, this essay was costly. The intriguing aspect is that these are hedge funds. Losses of $4 billion were incurred when shorting AMC Holdings shares. After stock did this, as shown in the pre-reverse split, shorts with 10% movement lost significantly when AMC was in double digits. No changes have been made to the remaining AMC jobs in the short term. Their roles were maintained by these shorts. The only difference is their larger brief positions. There are numerous synthetic shares. There are now larger short positions and swap positions for the AMC. Looking at 10% and 12%, we can see that AMC moved 20% and caused billions in damage. You must grasp this. Would affect them now. To discuss AMC increases, we consider even minor halts such as short sellers. We discuss the liquidity shortage, margin rise, and shorts concerns when checking AMC's price. Today, we're up 3.5%. We gained nearly 7% today, but recovery was necessary as AMC was in the red at one point. The dark AMC market pool conceals 79.96% of 30.8 million volumes, which is why I am speaking. One could argue that other markets also fell. It was typical for AMC to decline. None of the other markets had 80% dark pool usage. To maintain 3.5%, they needed 80% of dark pool to temporarily bring AMC down. As you can see, we are unpredictable. Last few days. As previously mentioned, 38.3 million hidden shares exist. We discussed the required margin increase. Therefore, we asked, why are these shorts having issues? Even small changes can result in significant losses. As AMC rises to $2 or higher, short sellers panic and demand clear closure to their posts. Discussed yesterday in conditions of the $2,000 share, pre-squeeze could reach $7,000 per share when apes sell, highlighting the obvious financial implications. If AMC invested $4 billion in 2021, the money has only grown due to increased investment. Cost was discussed. Financing. Cost was discussed. Making synthetics. We discussed exchanging positions. Keep in mind, large enough to bankrupt Swiss credit. We can estimate that 4 could reach $400 billion. We stated that the price is easily accessible to these areas. Said before. As seen in the recent drop in Netflix stock after Q4 2025 earnings, we believe the current AMC potential exists. This clarifies why Netflix collaborated with AMC. To all the skeptics who thought Netflix's plans would dominate, the AMC bankruptcy reveals the truth. According to them, Netflix is not all-powerful. They will benefit from genuine collaboration with AMC. They started by acknowledging their mistakes. One important aspect of the Netflix-AMC partnership is that some will be released soon. Money was invested in streaming services to integrate theater services into AMC. AMC will benefit from a strong box office year and the transfer of the new industry to them. I believe AMC can self-invest in 3 major industries this year. The first will be the standard for discussing box office in the film industry. Growth is necessary for AMC to increase productivity and revenue. The second issue is film distribution. We discussed film distribution options. We discussed the success of Zootopia 2 in China. More movies are performing well abroad. To improve AMC's movie distribution, consider expanding into the industry and producing more films. This would benefit the company greatly. The third option is streaming sites. Netflix expressed interest in partnering with AMC. We discussed AMC's plans to stream football and collegiate sports. These industries will significantly grow AMC. So these are your industries. Observe closely and realize this. Note that AMC currently serves as a refuge. Be aware that the market is not healthy. All believe the financial crisis begins with a crash. They don't. They begin quietly in empty spaces, watching. Realize that we've seen how major financial breaks start before. Real warning indicators are not initially visible in stock pricing. They manifest in credit behavior, liquidity, and institutional strain before public perception changes. This is precisely what this channel covers. Earlier, we discussed liquidity problems, whether discussing repo or reverse repo. Discussing bad mortgages refers to institutions borrowing more. Additional collateral is posted. We once discussed credit behavior. Commercial property and private credit are also included. We discussed institutional stress and the importance of repo firms. The importance of these firms and their struggles were discussed. These are things why we are featured. Our analysis suggests that markets may fall, leading institutions to seek investment refuge. Therefore, they are avid AMC fans. Once again, data is accurate. Examining institutional ownership of AMC reveals it is low, record high, and quiet accumulation. Institutions are not interested in supporting retail investors. They are vocal in the media about their actions, but in reality, they are doing the opposite. So, this applies to AMC. The media has been vocal about avoiding and selling AMC shares. Meanwhile, they're secretly acquiring as many AMC shares as possible. So, you understand the rationale. We accept payments through Highcraft, GameStop, and AMC Cinemas. We guarantee you will buy metamaterials from us. Based on current observations, Highcraft is doing well. The volatility of AMC Theaters, GameStop, and metamaterials highlights the need to understand why liquidity exists. Concerns arise for short sellers as their shares are shorted 100x10, 50x10, or 1,000 times, and the float is recovering. Additionally, we would like to remind everyone that the entire market is affected. Japanese come first. Japan bond had a liquidity cheat code, and even the most imposed government couldn't stop it. We discussed who leads, how crucial narrative control is, and what actions are needed. Discuss their pricing based on the associated risk. Question result force deleveraging. Global liquidity lowers risk. We stated this. As you consider your risk assets, you may begin to recognize the obviousness of margin call territory. The metal market is our focus. Very well when discussing gold. We discuss silver because it is detrimental to banks. Right now. First, we explore Japanese bonds and who is buying them today, yields falling. The table answers. Bank of Japan, buying 850 billion yen of Japanese bonds and lending them to tenants yielded 312 million yen to Japanese banks. Currently, the intervention amounts to 1.16 trillion yen. Initially, we discussed factors that delay the process, including preventing and reducing unavoidable margin calls. The money is visible, so avoid this. General market activity is evident. The Bank of Japan's intervention should show concern for the issue. We discussed the record-high 30-year yield of 3.587%. 14 trillion yen CDS swap may be disrupted. Please note that the Bank of Japan has only intervened 1.16 trillion yen. Why slow it? We can see up to 14 trillion. We stated this. A market crash may occur if liquidity issues arise and everything collapses. We previously discussed HIFRA. Silver prices are high today, which is a good start. The end was 23.51% yesterday. Up pre-market today. 12.23%, reaching $48. We observe significant growth in the red. Let me remind, as it was red today, it may be visible, but recovery requires acknowledging its past success. If focus focuses on red with high today and ignores 10x and 23% yesterday while out for 6 months, high is thriving. AMC profits from this. Additionally, we must acknowledge that we are longer than shorts recognize they are. No one's doubling up. Looking for life-changing money, $400 per share, 10x market cap increase, 3.5 billion market cap, no gold silver mine. Please note that the CEO spoke on CNBC today. About this, Charles Payne introduced a person with significant silver and gold deposits. I believe this is being done. Still slept. With a population of only 3.5 billion, I believe Highcraft is still undervalued. We discussed Highcraft for ages. I still believe in great potential. Interesting is Virtue Financial's involvement in another lawsuit. As expected, these institutions are not cooperating. Fair. They are not here to participate without exploiting the system. Whenever there is mention of these institutions want to help retail, we laugh at the market exploitation and the impact on retail and payment. In relation to gold, gold reaches record high of $4,800. Due to events in the polar regions in Greenland, this situation is expected to worsen. Larger and growing, with gold targets of 5K or more. Naturally, that follows. Also affect Highcroft. We need to understand our current situation. We must understand why we gain from macroeconomics. The importance of shorts and banks in news and kohrs panicking, but it continues. There. To understand why the gold market has so much potential, consider the staggering premiums of $370. This is unusual volatility.